Hello and welcome back guys, and happy Friday. As you may have seen, this is a shorter video than usual, but I will explain right here and right now. So after much thinking about the new section, I realized that I could get a lot more out of this if I don't go so prototypical. This was originally going to be the BNSF front range subdivision, but with the track here, it won't be fully possible. And that's not to say that I won't use the real thing for inspiration, but this will be more of a 50-50 thing when it comes to freelance and prototype. But for now, this is going to be the plan. So this little area will most likely stay the same. Now instead of having this be the main line, I'm going to turn this into a secondary holding track for extra boxcars that happen to fill up. It'll be fun to switch out the cars when we do get to those operation videos. This side here will be getting the most changes when it comes to the plans. So instead of having the single main line go into an oblivion, I'm going to put a nice diesel house / facility right here instead. When I can afford it, I will be picking up one of these bad boys. This one should be perfect for a modern layout, and hey, let's be honest, everyone loves engine houses. This one is $85 right now, so it is pretty pricey, but there aren't that many on the market that look this nice. So I did actually end up removing the cork and the track, which luckily enough was actually easy to do. I just have to make sure to get all those little nails. And there we go, back to the original state. Sadly, I will have to buy more switches in the future, but we'll get to that eventually. So right here I am marking down the warehouse to kind of make sure where I'm going to put the cork. Now the cork is going to go under the warehouse to provide a little bit of height, and that's because the track besides it's already raised, so I kind of have to accommodate for that. So next week we will be using a lot of this sheetrock here, and this will be pretty much covering up all that cork, and we're going to make everything nice and level. And we'll also probably get some roads done as well. So hopefully you guys do agree with me on making this layout a little bit more freelance than prototypical. I think it will just allow for better operations in the future.